name is Nina, and I work over at Twirl in Taos, New Mexico. It's a play and discovery space. We work very hard to provide making, building, crafting, and being really creative with families in our community. And every year, for almost 4 or 5 years now already, we've been doing a maker fair. We call it Invent Event. It's a free community event with over 35 hands-on experiences exploring old and new technologies, all kinds of different materials. And we are able to do this because we have collaborators that show up from all over the place, and they come there and they give their time and their expertise. And then we have over 1,000 people show up, and everyone is playing, making, and creating and inventing with all these beautiful technologies and materials. I love Invent Event, and I'm going to be so sad that we're not doing Invent Event this year. There's the banner. It's fun, right? So Twirl was thinking, well, this is not so nice. We are all hunkered down at our homes, and these times are so uncertain, and it's difficult. And I'm sad. But we decided that, you know what? To uplift our spirits, we still need to keep the creativity, the making, building, crafting, and inventing going on. So instead of having a big community event out there in the world, which we can't do right now, we can still be creative in our homes. So we're doing a mini Invent Event just to spread some of that Invent Event magic and have it in your hearts so that we can remember that, oh, you know what? This piece of trash could turn into that invention. And we want to share this kind of thinking with you because it's endless. You never know when a milk carton can turn into a car or some other thing could turn into something else. So keep staying creative and let's do this together. And we decided we're going to do a little mini Invent Event instead. And so Liana and Amber and I have a really fun video series for you guys for getting creative with us. So we're so happy you're here today. And you know what? We'll do other Invent Events at other times. For now, we're going to do it in our homes. Thank you for being here, and let's get started. For my project today, I'm going to turn this butter box into a car. I like butter. I also like turning butter boxes into cars. These are the materials you'll need. You will need straws, milk jug caps, kebab sticks, and boxes. Never throw things out if you think that you could use it for a fun invention. Ooh, decorations are my favorite. All kinds of knick-knacky stuff that you might have laying around. Buttons and maybe like little stones, or who knows? You never know what could turn into a decoration. Last but not least, you will need tools. Always tools. Oh, scissors are sharp, by the way, and hot melt glue guns can get very hot. So if you need help from an adult person, ask for help. If not, just go for it. Ready, set, let's make something. So some of the fun that we're going to have today is exploring simple machines and concepts around simple machines. And simple machines are machines that make things easier in our life, like wheels and axles and levers and pulleys and wedges and screws and inclined planes. And actually, I'm going to start off with a wedge, because this pokey part here, can you guys all see? This is really pokey. Is a wedge, because when I push it onto my bottle cap like this, which is actually also a wheel, hello, I wedge a hole into the wheel. Hence, I have a wheel in place. One wheel down, a few more to go. Now remember, it's pokey, so be careful. Now I poked holes in all of my 4 wheels, okay? So I took a wedge and I poked through the wheel. So then I'm going to take my straw and I'm going to thread it over the kebab stick like that. And look, now it's not so simple anymore. It's a compound machine. It spins. Back to the butter box. Now I have my wheels and axles. I have 2 sets. You can make more if you want to. You definitely need more than one. Or not, because you could also just see what happens. Oh my goodness, it becomes another kind of simple machine. It's a lever, but that's for another time. Anyway, so I have my wheels and axles. I'm going to take the glue gun. You can also use Elmer's glue, but it takes a while for it to dry. Then I'm going to make a strip of glue like this, and a strip of glue like this. And I'm going to put my wheels and axles in place, just like that, making sure that the wheels spin freely, like so. Now for my favorite part, decorating. Yay! Whee! Whee! Ooh! Here it is, my Buttermobile. I love it. I put some pom-poms on the hubcaps. It might get away with the functionality, but it doesn't matter. I like the way it looks. I hope you guys have so much fun making your own mobile, set of wheels and axles, and maybe you guys could take photos of them and send them to us, and we can post them on our Facebook page. Now remember, stay creative. Play, make, create, explore, and invent as much as possible. And keep the inventive spirit in your hearts. Bye. Bong.